Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to make emojis on Discord. So if you want to go ahead and create your own emojis on the Discord application, how do you necessarily do so? And creating your own custom emojis is going to be basically easy. So just watch this video until the end to learn how. Okay, so let's dive right into it. All we need to do first is to go ahead on our Discord application and let's switch onto that right now. And what I want you to tap on next is to go ahead onto your server settings, and that is going to be located on the top left corner right here on the drop down. Tap on server settings, and what you should tap on next is to tap on emojis right above stickers. As you see, you can add up to 50 custom emojis that anyone can use in this server. Animated GIF emoji can also be used by members with Discord Nitro. So if you do not have Discord Nitro, you do not have the access to use animated GIF emojis. But you do have 50 custom emojis that anyone can use even without Discord Nitro. We do have some upload requirements, so you do need to follow these guidelines, which are the JPEG, PNG, or GIF. It also needs to be at least, or rather, 256 kilobytes. And if it's larger than that, the Discord application will compress it for you. And you also need to follow the recommended dimensions and naming. Next, of course, let's just tap on Upload Emoji and choose from the list of photos that we have over here. Let's tap on Open because I want to choose this specific photo right here. Next, it's now currently uploading, and then once this is already done, you can actually change the name. I'm going to change this name real quick to just shorten it to Idle. And then that is basically the prompt that you should use in order to add this sticker, or this emoji rather, onto the chat. And that's basically done. Let's try it out. Let's go ahead onto the general chat and let's tap on idle and choose the emoji. Hit enter, and as you see, the emoji has now been added. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.